Children, today in this video we will discuss about optative sentences. Optative sentences. We have already studied about assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences, and today we will discuss about fifth and last type of sentence which we use in our daily life is optative sentence. Let's look at the definition. How can we define this sentence? So the sentences which we use to express prayer, or wish, blessings, and curses. The sentences which we use to express prayer, wish, blessings, and curses are called optative sentences. Optative sentences. Structure. How we form the sentences? Let's have a look. This sentence mostly begins with may. May comes in the beginning of the sentence. Then comes the subject. May plus subject plus verb's first form plus object plus exclamation mark. This is the structure of this type of sentence, optative sentence. Some sentences we discuss about in Hindi. आपका स्वास्थ्य अच्छा हो. May. Then what are we talking about? Health. May your health be good. Exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. So we make these sentences with the help of may mostly. Also to express wish and keen desires. We use would that in the beginning, of these sentences. Like, would that I were a bird! Exclamation mark. Would that my best friend. Such sentences. So we can use may and we can also use would that to form these sentences. And now we can have more examples to understand the structure. May you stand first in your class! Exclamation mark. May he become successful! Exclamation mark. May Mohan, you can use any subject. May Mohan come first in this examination. So you can use may in the beginning, and then any subject can be used. You, he, she, it, we also can be used, or any name you can use to form these sentences. In place of these sentences, we can use God also in place of these subjects, like may God bless you with a son! Exclamation mark. Some curses, because curses also can be expressed using these optative sentences. So some examples of curses also take here for better understanding. May she die soon! Exclamation mark. May he fail in the examination! Exclamation mark. May you break your head! Exclamation mark. Sometimes while expressing prayer or blessings, we can speak sentences or write them without may. Without may. We may not use may. in some of the sentences. Suppose a king goes to a saint, and a king is a very powerful personality, and the saint is influenced by his personality. So normally he cannot, in such cases, normally we do not use may. The saint says to the king, long live the king. So here, in such cases, when blessings are being given to some great personality, may not be used. Such sentences begin with the adjective and verb, then subject comes at the end of the sentence. Subject comes at the end, then exclamation mark. Be successful in this battle, my lord. I hope that you might have understood well these sentences, and understanding these sentences is very important for further learning of grammar like narration and so on. And if you have understood, and if you see that the video is good enough for your understanding, like, subscribe and share. You can express your doubts and can ask your questions when you comment.